So let us start our question. Question yedu inoti, the following is an incomplete table of values for y is equal to 12 plus 2x minus x squared. Then we have a table there. Saka let us put the table down. Tione kuti zvinofamba sei. Saka panapa ndakuda kudrowa table yacho pakona panapa. So sekukudzai kwandinoita almost all the time, kana muchidrowa magraphs in your examinations, this table of values is very sacrosanct. Sacrosanct is a special way of saying important. Yakakoshesa table iyi. Saka tinoda kutoiona. So when x is minus 3, y anenge ari kuti minus 3. When x is minus 2, y anenge ari p. When x is minus 1, y anenge ari 9. When x is 0, y ndi 12. When x is 1, y ndi 13. When x is 2, y ndi 12. When x is 3, y ndi q. When x is 4, y ndi 4. And when x is 5, y ndi minus 3. That is our table of values. From there we are told that our function, kana kuti our equation, ndiye y is equal to 12 plus 2x minus x squared. What we are doing now is takuda kutsvaga kuti p na q tinozowana sei. Saka I want to hear from either Precious or Tanaka, even Makarama, kuti p tinomuwana sei. This is our p. Latange na Tanaka. P tomuwana sei. Thank you, that is the correct way of doing it. Saka shall replace our inner p, because p ari kuma y coordinates. This is equal to 12 plus. Then because when the point where y is equals to p, x inenge equal to minus 2. Zvinoreva kuti we are going to replace x with minus 2 like this. Here it becomes minus 2 squared. Saka if we solve the right hand side of that equation, we find the value of p. Saka p panapa inenge equal to chi. Let us do together. This is 12. What is 2 times minus 2? Minus 4. Then panapa, this is, yes, this is minus. What is minus 2 squared? Minus 2 squared means minus 2 times minus 2, which means we have plus 4. Saka panapa, since we already have a minus panapa, it will be eventually minus 4. Like that. Because chiri panapa, kuri tada kuinyora futi iri bracket, tachazonyora yakadai so. Minus 2 squared would be 4 plus 4 in bracket no. Minus na plus zikasangana becomes a negative. So that is what happened there. Saka solving that much, p will be equal to, if we set 12 minus 4, what do we get? We get 8. So it becomes 8 minus 4, not eventually p is equal to 4. Saka swatichaita panapa, takuno replace pakanzi p panapa, takunesa our answer, which is 4. That is how we find it. Now Precious tell us how we can find the value of q, and this is our q. Before we do that, we should make sure kuti y ticham replace our q to make it the complete equation. But even if tikasadaro, hazvina material effects to our answer. We are just doing it for the sake of formality. So thank you. Q will be equal to what? Here it's 12. Then panapa, it's 2 times 3, which is plus 6. Then it's minus 3 squared is 9. 3 squared means 3 times 3. So Q should be equal to 12 plus 6 minus 9, of which Q is equal to 12 plus 6 then the 18, and then it's 18 subtracting 9. Saka Q is equal to 18 minus 9, which is 9. So that is the value of Q. Saka doing this, we get 2 marks. There's an answer mark here. There's an answer mark here. And I know my marks atingafanirwe kuluza. The only way we can lose my marks apo is by doing arithmetic errors. And arithmetic errors, they are not allowed. They are not allowed in mathematics. Kana paine chinhu chamusingafanirwe kukonewa, kutadza kuedda, kusubtracta, kumultiplier kana kudivide. Ngativerenga zvigumwe nezvekutsoka kuti muve sure, because we cannot lose marks pakuita mistakes akafanana nekuti 8 minus 4 is equals to 5. That will be horrible. And I want to tell you a true story. It's very fascinating if we come to think about it, especially psychologically. Kuti tiri maform 3 taiva naticha vainzi Marima, Mr. Marima. Vaititisa Shona. He had a very weird belief kuti munhu afanirwa kuita mistake parondedzero yeshona. Ndowaiva mutemo wavo. And it sounded funny. Unotadza nekuita mistake parondedzero. Especially coming from form 2. Nguva dzedu isusu rondedzero yeshona yaiva 3 pages. And form 1 and 2 inge iri 1.5. Saka it was clear to think kuti unogona kunyora 3 pages usina kuita mistake. So to live up to his principle, vaiti shamu per mistake. It happened for the rest of form 3. And to tell you the truth, tama form 4, it was really rare kuwana munhu ane mistake murondedzero yeshona. You understand? Hakuna munhu aita mistake kurondedzero yeshona. Saka tidi vanhu vanoita mistakes ekuedda, kusubtracta, kumultiplier nekudivide. Going on, I want to assume that we are okay panapa. Tese tasvikirana pavalue ya P nevalue ya Q. But it's also possible kana paine munhu ane question, you can just interject and ask. Can we go to B? Are you clearing me kuti tiende pa 9B? Saka 9B ne 4 marks kureva kuti yakakosha. Iri kuti using a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 centimeters to represent 2 units on the y-axis, draw the graph of y is equal to 12 plus 2x minus x squared. So we need to draw that graph. And that graph should be what? We are given the scale. Saka ngatitange taisa the x-axis pasi. So this line is going to be representing the x-axis. Imimi munoriita neruler please. Ina ndikwanisi kuita neruler panapa. So this is x-axis. And we are told for x-axis that we have a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit. What it means is, this is kubva panapa kunosvika apa ndo 2 centimeters dziri kurepresenta a unit. Saka after every 2 centimeters tinoisa a point. Then 2 centimeters toisa another point. Then for 2 centimeters another point. After 2 centimeters a point. After 2 centimeters a point. A point here also. Another point. Another point. And another point. Saka mapoints edu tikumaisa 2 centimeters apart. Because the scale yedu yakanzi using a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit. And this is done on the x-axis. But ta draw our x-axis line, taisa mapoints edu, What we now need to do is we have to consult our table of values, and we see here kuti the lowest, kana kuti I can call it the minimum value of x is -3, and the maximum value of x is equal to 5. Saka tichabva pana -3 tichienda kuna 5. So what we are going to do here is this is going to be -3, this is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. Kana tadai so perfecto chaiyo. So before I proceed, are we together, or do we have any question as pertaining to the x-axis? Question inogona kuvunza kuti mapoints afamba sei, question yacho inogona kuvunza kuti scale yainterpretwa sei, or any other question. Are you clearing me to go on to the y-axis? I'll take that as a yes. Thank you. Tikaendera mberi part B pari kunzi and 2 centimeters to represent 2 units on the y-axis. So on the y-axis, 2 centimeters is representing 2 units. Before we draw the y-axis, we need to know what is the minimum value of y. We need to know what is the maximum value of y. This is very important information. Saka minimum value of y, tinotarisa ma points ari pa y-axis. Totsvaga the lowest number. Then maximum value of y, we do the same. Saka Tanaka, what is the minimum? What is y minimum? Thank you, -3. Then Makarama, what is y maximum? Number ombesa pana y apa ndiani? The 13. Uyu 13. Maybe sunyatsooneka. So it's 13. Yeah. So thank you, that's correct. So our minimum value of y is -3. Our maximum value of y is 13. That said, then we are going to draw a line panapa. It should be a straight line. Ini ndikada kutanga kuita zveruler tinoita 3 hours ndichingodrowa chete because zonetsa zvasiyana nekuita pabepa. But I hope you learn nonetheless. Why? So tichaisa futi mapoints zvanzi 2 centimeters represents 2 units. Saka kubva pana 0, 2 centimeters dzinenge dziri panapa, then kubva apa 2 centimeters dzimwe dziri apa, kubva apa dzimwe 2 centimeters dziri apa. And handisi kungogesa hama dzangu kuti ndo pane 2 centimeters. Ndinoziva kuti kubva apa kusvikira apa pakatoreba 2 centimeters. Imi mogona kutozvikonfirma necalculator yenyu. Kubvawo apa kusvika apa pakareba chi 1 centimeter. Zvinhu zvinotozikanwa takatarisa graph paper ratiri kushandisa. But you should be sure manje. Because magraph paper anombouya mapepa ezimseka anogona kusiyana neiri. It should really be 2 centimeters. You have to confirm with your ruler. Anditika? So tiri panapa, apa patinge tane ne point because it's 2 centimeters from the 0 mark. We have another point panapa. Panapa again. Apo, etc. So y minimum ndi -3. Instead of kuti tuye panapa tinyore kuti -3, we are not going to write -3. We are rather starting at -4. Because manumbers edu akava even, it becomes easier for us. Saka tikati -4 panapa ichava -2. -3 inge yakwanikwa apa pakati pa -4 na -2. Then chibva pana -2 takutoenda pa 0. Then kuma positives kuno kuta kuti chi 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then of course panapa ndochi 12. Then panapo apa ndo inenge richi 14. 13 uyu akuwanikwa pakati panapa. Yeah. So kana tadai so tatoisa tatodrowa the xy plane yedu zvakanaka. Tiri tese here hama dzangu? Pane mubvunzo here before taenda the actual plotting? Saka tiri panapa manje takuda kuchiplota. Kana x iri -3, x kana ari -3, y anenge ari -3. Saka x ndi -3 panapa. Kwanzi y anenge ari chi -3. Yeti tati -3 tinomuwana pakati pa -4 na -2. Kureva kuti our point panapa inenge iri ino iyi. Ishi. Yataisa kastar ako. That is our first point. -3, -3. Kana x iri -2, y anenge ari 4. Sa x kana ari -2 panapa, y anenge ari 4. Iyi iri pachena. Saka tinoenda pana -2 tobva tamutevera togumira pana 4 panapa tobva taisa kastar. Kanomaka point. Kana x ari -1, y anenge ari 9. So I need someone to tell me kuti 9 ari papi. Just anyone volunteer. Kana x ari -1, 9 ndomuwanepi? Yes, good. Ndopana 9. Then kana x ari 0, y anenge ari 12. Saka totevera 0 toenda pa 12 toisa star up. Kana x ari 1, y anenge ari 13. 13 achaonekwa pakati pa 12 na 14. Saka 13 wedu anenge ari papi? Panapa. Like this. Kana x ari 2, y anenge ari 12. Saka 2 unoita mutevera 12 anenge ari apo. Ifo marks idzi dzemahara. Zokutoti handifungidziri kuti pane munhu angatadza kuansa kweseni yequadratics muzimseki. Ndoinofanira kutotanga kutoitsvaga kuti irimo here. Because it's really silly if you come to think of it. Kana x ari 3, y anenge ari 9 and kana x ari 3, y anenge ari 9. 9 tomuona papi? Panapa. Kana x ari 4, y anenge ari 4. Saka ndeapa. Then lastly kana x ari 5, y anenge ari -3. -3 tomuona papi? Panapa. Like this. Saka ndo mapoints atinawo aya. So what we have to do now is we have to join these points using a smooth curve which we draw by freehand. To me it's going to be a little difficult, but to you, you should practice kuti zvive perfect. Following points. Chero uri smart sei, don't be tempted kuita nerule. Unoluza mamarks nekuda kunzi uri smart sterei. Zvoitwa nemaoko izvi. Like that. That smooth curve. That is our answer. Then tatanyora the equation y is equal to 12 plus 2x minus x squared. Like that. Tatopedza. So that is it, hama dzangu. Do we have a question or 4 marks idzo we are comfortable with it? So let us go to, do you claim me kuti tiende pa C? Saka takuda kuenda pa C. C iri kuti kudini? C iri kuti use your graph to find the roots of the equation 12 plus 2x minus x squared is equals to 0. Saka kana chinzi the roots of the equation, vari kureva maanswers atinowana kana kuri kuti tanga tasolva that quadratic equation ndo anonzi maroots. Saka graphically speaking, maroots zvaanoreva anoreva the point where the curve crosses the x-axis. Saka maroots anowanikwa panapa panokrosa curve yedu x-axis panapa, maroots anowanikwa futi panapa. Saka there are always two roots kana iri quadratic equation or function. Saka maunderstand here kuti maroots anowanikwa papi, panokrosa curve redu the x-axis neapo ndo patinowana maroots. The root of a quadratic function, it is the point, graphically speaking, where the curve crosses the x-axis. Curve redu parinochekana ne-x-axis panapa. Saka it's this point and that point. That is what is called the root. But mathematically speaking, root ndo zvatinowana kana tikatosolva. You understand? Tikasolva a quadratic function, root is the answers ari two atinowana. If you take a note kuti pese patinosolva a quadratic equation, it's either by factorization or by using the quadratic formula. Tinowana maanswers ari two always. Have you noticed? Always x is equal to two things, either this or that. X can actually be equal to the same number, but in Gaptonzi, x is equal to that twice. And that is a different phenomenon altogether. Saka as to the definition of a root, are we together? Saka mungandiudzawo kuti apa pakamira sei? Because ndakapatarisa panapa parikuita senge ndi minus 2 point, because tinge takuita zviya, if you remember, takati tinofunga kusa zvimasquares zvidiki diki zviri between 2 points. Toona panapa kuti zvingani i20 tumasquare tudiki utu, kubva apa kusvikira apa tonge tiri 10, kubva apa kunobata apa 10 zvakare. Saka tiri 20, we need to know kuti saka tumasquares tungani 20 tumasquare turi kurepresenta 1 point. Is it making sense to you kuti 2 tumasquare panapa tuchange tuchirepresenta 1? And the 1 yandiri kureva it's actually 0.1. Because tichibva pana 2 tumasquare inenge iri minus 2.1. After tumwe 2 minus 2.2 minus 2.3 minus 2.4 minus 2.5 kusvikira pana minus 3. Is it making sense? Scale interpretation, is it making sense? Okay, thank you if it's making sense. Alright, let me try to explain it in a different way. Yes, and Rugugunzwai, I want to try to explain it in another way. So ndikuti kudini? Ndirikuti, for example, kubva pana 0 kusvika pana 1, pane 20 tuma small squares. Ndizvoka? It's 20 tuma small squares. But isusu tikuda kutrita tuma square utu as if 10, because we have 10 divisions between 0 and 1. Tina 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, then twatatu 1. Mabona. Saka we have 20 squares, but isusu we need 10 divisions between 0 and 1. So if we divide the number of divisions into the number of squares, we get 2. What it then means is 2 to my square twenge chiri representa 0.1. Saka kana tiri pana 0 panapa. Okay, saka we see kuti panapa, because it's 2 to my points before we get to minus 3, it's minus 2.8. And panapa, because pakati pa 4 na 5, it's going to be 4.5. So kana tichi answer this question, which is C, yabvunza kuti we need the roots of the equation 12 plus 2x minus x squared. Our answer should be minus 2.8 and 4.5. Zvinge zvatopera. Saka chakakosha kuti muzive maroots equation. That is the point. Where what happens? This is the point where the curve, kana the graph, crosses the x-axis. Ndo chikoshiwa chiripo apo. Tanaka, I'm sure you now understand what should happen pa C part 2. Iri kuda the gradient of y unofanira kutonyora pagraph because the instruction inge yakati answer this whole question on a graph paper. Everything should be on the graph paper. Munofanira kuidentify mapoints acho, okay, but motonyora kutoti C, this is the answer because ndopanonomakwa panapa, ndopanonoiswa 2 marks dzacho. So I was saying kuti I'm sure graph ratanaka ndakariona and she's now able to do C part 2. The gradient of y is equals to 12 plus 2x minus x squared at x is equal to 2. So Tanaka, take the lead here. What do we do to answer C part 2? Tinodraw tangent pana 2. Saka taudzwa kuti x is equal to 2. Saka tichatevera where x is equal to 2 panapa. Ticharamba tichitevera kusvikira pa this point. You see? Saka tichabva pana 2 because x is equal to 2. Toramba tiinayo kuti tonobata curve. Tabata curve. Then we are going to draw a straight line here. It should really be straight pana. And this line is called a tangent. And saka tadraw that straight line. If we find the gradient of that straight line, tikawana gradient yeline iroro, tinenge tatowana an approximation of the gradient of the curve at the point x is equal to 2. So how do we find the gradient here? Of course, we need to know what this point is, and that point is 212, like this. Toenda paline pedu tonotsvaga imwe point yatinogona kukota, togona kuzama ino ishi iri apa iyi. Iyo point mukazvitarisisa muchaona kuti inenge iri 1 and panapa ichi 14, 114. Tine that point iri isusu. Yeah, this E114, like that.
Say I'm trying to finish this question at interrogator. So gradient in double is a minus 2. I don't know if I'm correct. Does pick a 3 and 10, 2 and 12, and then foundations a formula to find a gradient double is a minus 2. The equation and item 3 ndawana y yangu iri 9 since parikunzipo x plus 12 plus 2x minus x squared is equals to k, where k is an integer. So ndawana 9 as an integer because apa ndapiwa ma values like kuti the equation whose roots are minus 1 and 3. So ndaenda pa y x axis ndikanoenda pana minus 1 ndiri kunosvika pa point 9 and then kuna 3 ndiri kunosvika pa 9 and then pandaisa straight line pana nyora equation yangu iri kuti 12 plus 2x minus x squared is equals to 9 to represent k.
So taita apo kuti we now have 2 points on our tangent. The approximation yatichadhila nayo panapa tinoicalculata sei. So when it comes to gradient, we know that gradient is equal to a change in y over a change in x, delta y over delta x, which is equal to, what is the change in y? Saka we can say this is x1 y1 panapa toti x2 y2. Saka change in y is just y2 minus y1, which in this case is 12 minus 14, like that, dividing. Then change in x in ngeri x2 minus x1, which is 2 minus 1. So panapa we can see that it's equal to 12 minus 14 minus 2 dividing 2 minus 1 1. Saka we get minus 2 as our answer. That is our gradient. Saka tinge tato answer C part 2 iri kuda the gradient. We now have to do the last question, 6 part 3. Iri kuti the equation whose roots are minus 1 and 3, giving you answer in the form 12 plus 2x minus x squared is equal to k, where k is an integer. So how do we find this equation? So this is very important, and I want to take you to the board to answer this one. Saka we have been given the roots. Tapiwa the roots of an equation. So when we are given the roots of an equation, what are the roots? Saka the roots which we have been given, roots atapiwa ndiani? Minus 1 and 3. What do we do to the roots? Put it one the parent function and not the parent equation. What we do to the roots is, once the equation whose roots are minus 1 and 3, giving you answer in that form where k is an integer. Saka kana tapiwa maroots zvatinoita, tinoisa mabrackets ari 2 like this, tot is equal to 0. Saka pandoda kukudzidzisai kuti munowana sei the parent equation mangopiwa maroots chete. Tadaro tinobva taenda ku the first root and we negate it. Negating kuchinja sign. Saka since panapa sign iri minus 1 mubracket muno muchati plus 1. And since panapa sign iri 3 mubracket chati minus 3 is equal to 0. Saka this is a reversal of the process yatinoita. Process yatinoita kana tichisolve ma-quadratic equations. Tichishandisa chi? Pepe patinge tichishandisa factorization. Saka we are reversing the process. Handi patinosvika pepe tinozoti bracket is equals to 0, bracket is equals to 0, and the effect kuchinja this sign. Kuti kana yanga iri plus 1. Kuri kuti tanga taignore izvo, right? Let us say that tina izvo. Tiri kufactorize quadratic expression tasvika panapa. Ndo pataizoti x plus 1 is equals to 0 or x minus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, x inenge iri equal to 1 or 3. Anova maroots atadi atapiwa. X inenge iri equal to minus 1 because yauya kunoku. Yava plus 3 because yauya kunoku. You understand what is happening? Saka this is just a reversal of the operation. Sando mareversero atinoita. Tinoshandisa process inonzi negation. Tine maroots edu, chaisa mabrackets toisa x mukati toti is equal to 0. Then kana root iri negative, bracket inenge iri positive. Kana root iri positive, bracket iri negative. Then we solve this. Saka solving this is just by expansion. X plus 1. So that x we are going to multiply this bracket. Then minus 3. I will multiply that bracket also. Like this. This is equal to 0. And okay. Saka panapa x times x then. So it's x squared. X times 1 is plus x. Minus 3 times x minus 3x minus 3 times 1 d minus 3 is equals to 0, like that. So we have x squared plus x minus 3x d minus 2x minus 3. This is equal to 0. Saka kana tadai so tawana the parent function kana the parent equation. But question iri kuti the equation whose roots are minus 1 and 3, giving your answer in the form. Saka the answer should be in the form of plus 2x minus x squared is equal to k, where k is an integer. So if we are to follow this form, zoreva kuti tinofanirwa kuti minus 3 like that. This is minus 3. From there we go to term in x minus 2x. Then lastly we go to the x squared, which is plus x squared. This is equal to 0. Saka kuti tite I positive because tikofa ari positive. Inoitoita futi chi positive because plus 2x are positive. Inoyova negative tina minus 2x is equal to k. Zvatinongeta panapa ndezvekuti we are going to multiply every term na minus 1. It's as simple as that. Saka tika multiply panapa na minus 1, to multiply this term none na minus 1, and that term na minus 1, 0 foot na minus 1. Minus 1 times 3 then the 3. Then minus 2x times minus 1 then the plus 2x. Then minus 1 times x squared then the minus x squared is equal to 0 times minus 1 then the 0. Saka tainyora in that form tatanga ne positive constant, tikazononyora that 2x, tikazononyora minus chi minus x squared is equal to k. That is the answer. Ndo patobva 6 marks ipapa. So that is what we should do. I hope you understood what we did, and I hope you learned something. If you have any way you want clarification, may you please contact us either via the comments or via our numbers, which are, we have this WhatsApp number. We also have this number. So they're both on WhatsApp, but this one is available for calls. This is where you contact us also if you are interested in joining our school. Thank you.